Once again, it's Anna. Well, today I will talk about work and travel. Like I've said in the previous videos, my daughter and I have traveled to many places, and one of those places that we traveled to was Indonesia. Indonesia is known for their rounded culture, nice weather, good food, and welcoming people. Well, we are up, and away we go. There are some pictures of us flying into Indonesia. The flight was good, and we were all smiles. On our free Indonesia holiday, we went to Bali. It was a great trip. We stayed at the Ramada Encore Hotel. Not too far from there was a beach and a beach walk mall. Now, this mall had so many places to shop, lots of food to eat, especially like candy shops and things like that, and many things to see. My daughter and I took lots of pictures to show you what we experienced being there. There also was a stand there, and the man showed us how to create some ice cream rolls. You'll see that in our previous videos. Here are some videos now showing how we was able to roll our own ice cream rolls. I hope you enjoy. Indonesia is known for having a few small or large malls, whether it's in Bali, Jakarta, or Semarang. That's the city that I worked and lived in. Here are some pictures of the malls we had the chance to visit. As I said before, Indonesia is known for their delicious food. Here are some of the foods that I fell in love with while living and working there. The school that I worked for paid for our housing. The housing was amazing. It was two levels. We stayed in a three-bedroom. It was a master bedroom, my daughter's bedroom, and a guest bedroom with two beds. Two full bathrooms, living area, a parlor area that's near the front door, dining room, outdoor kitchen area that I really didn't like because it was outside. I didn't really like that, didn't care for it. A huge garage. Mind you, we had no transportation. The school had to pick us up every day and bring us back every afternoon. And we had a bricked in backyard with a waterfall, which was very, very relaxing. It was a very private one too, so it was really nice. The house and everything was very, very nice, and it was in a very nice neighborhood. Okay, here are some pictures of the different views that we saw on our walks and from our house. The school that I worked for was an international school. I was a third grade homeroom teacher. I taught fourth grade English and grades second through sixth grade oral speech. called Bina Banza. Also, my daughter attended this school and she made some wonderful friends. She went to sleepovers, birthday parties, etc. She even performed with some of her friend girls in a dance performance for the school. And that was very exciting. I couldn't find the video clip for that one, but if so, I will add that in later. And oh yes, we even purchased a puppy while we was there. Sadly, we had to give him away to one of my students' family before we left. We miss him. Also at Binabanza, all teachers have to sponsor an after school activity twice a week. So I taught the cooking class and the girls loved it. My daughter was my assistant and we had the best fun ever. We cooked everything from making homemade ice cream to making spaghetti and tacos and just all types of things. S'mores, everything. The girls had so much fun. We supposed to only have 8 students in the class, but it was so many girls that wanted to join, so they extended the class to accommodate more girls. So it was more girls, more fun. Field day is an exciting time of the school year. The students loved all the sports that they take that takes place throughout the entire day. So you started in the morning time doing different activities, different sports and things like that. They even had a huge swimming pool. So the kids were able to do the swimming pool, play out in the field with baseball, do some exercising, do some basketball. I mean, everything. I mean, any sports that you can name, they had these things lined up for the entire day. Then at the end, they give out the trophies of who won and things like that. So it was very, very, very fun. Also, field trips are also a highlight of the school year. We went to all sorts of places, and I also learned a few things myself about Indonesia going on these field trips. So that was exciting for me as well. The students at this school put on this huge, huge production of Aladdin, and it was amazing. We sold tickets for the public to come in the evening times to see it, and they even built a brand new auditorium inside of the school, pretty much just for this production. And it was amazing. They even had the musicians there, the other students were the musician, and the music teacher taught all the music for this. You had the students singing. We have some video clips of this, and we also have pictures. So I hope you enjoy.